The BJP legislature party meeting, crucial for the selection of the leader of opposition in the assembly, is presently underway with the party's central observers, Union Finance Minister NirmalaSitharaman and National General Secretary DushyantKumarGautam in attendance. The meeting commenced after the arrival of the central observers in Bengaluru. Welcoming NirmalaSitharaman and Dushyant Kumar, the newly appointed BJP State President BYVijayendra, the son of party veteran BSYediyurappa, is also present. Amidst the anticipation surrounding the leadership selection, senior BJPMLA and former Deputy Chief Minister R. Ashoka stated, along with 4 to 5 other legislatures, is aspiring for this position. The BJP had faced criticism from the ruling Congress for delays in making the appointment, leading to the internal discontent within the party. The ongoing meeting is expected to address these concerns and result in the resignation of the leader of opposition.
बोलो भारत माता की जय। बोलो भारत माता की ಅವರು ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಈಗ